Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to try and install this brightness controller here on Peppermint OS. There are several steps listed on how to install it. You can use pip, and you can use this one by adding this repository. Unfortunately, only this works for Ubuntu, did not work on Parrot OS or Peppermint OS, so I had to find another way of installing this. Now what I found is that I can download the RPM file and convert it to Debian package and then install it. So go to this website pkgs.org and then we search brightness controller, and here we have the package. It's for Fedora 39. So we select this one. To download it, just scroll to the bottom, and at the downloads we need to pick the binary package. So right click the link, copy it and open in a new tab. It will download a small file of 35 kilobytes. Now let's go to that file. I'm going to copy this one to my desktop. Just cut, go to home, desktops, and paste it here. Now the next step is to convert this to a deb file, and to do that we need a package called LxRealm. Now I'm going to right click here, open the terminal, and then install LxRealm. Just run sudo apt install LxRealm, input password, and LxRealm is already installed. Good. Now to use LxRealm, just right click it, go to rename, copy the old file name, go back to the terminal, and then we need to type the command sudo LxRealm -d and then the name of the RPM file. Just paste it, make sure it has the extension RPM, and enter. Now let's go back to the folder and we find our deb file right here. Now to install this one, just right click it and open with the GDB package manager. Make sure you have internet connection and then install. I'll let it install. It will install together with dependencies and everything. Now we need to install another dependency that is it's called qtpy, and it's part of Python 3. So let's run sudo apt install python 3 -qtpy, input password. If I go to the app drawer and just launch my application, you see it's not running. If I go to the terminal, for example, and then I say brightness controller, from qtpy import all this, and says the module qtpy is missing, so we need to run this command to install. So I'll say yes and let it install. It's a small file about 23 MB, and let it install all the way to the end. Now open the terminal again and run the brightness controller. Just type brightness controller, and you see it returns an error that brightness controller Linux module name not found. So we need to go to this directory usr share brightness controller, go to other locations, Peppermint, usr, and then share, and look for brightness controller here. It's right here. Now in here we need to create a directory called brightness _controller _linux. Close the terminal right there and open another terminal in here, and then run sudo mkdir make directory, and then paste that name, brightness controller Linux, and press enter, and our folder has been created. Now we need to move this util folder, the UI and the icons in here. So let's just move them. In order to move them, we are going to use the command mv. So I'll start with the first one, sudo mv util / space, then brightness controller. I just copied, so I just paste it right here, and then / and enter. You see that folder has been moved inside here. Let's do the same for the UI and the icons. And now the 3 folders have been moved inside this other folder. Now our brightness controller should run smoothly. Go to the app drawer and then launch my app, and here it is. You can now adjust my primary and this and the second one with HDMI. I can adjust the brightness the way I want. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and catch you guys on the next one.